Benefits salad and potato that we need to know. Salads and potatoes each offer unique nutritional benefits and can be valuable components of a healthy diet when incorporated thoughtfully. Benefits of salad. Nutrient-rich. Salads often contain a variety of fresh vegetables, such as leafy greens, spinach, kale, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, and more. These veggies are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants crucial for overall health. Weight management. Salads are typically low in calories but high in fiber, which can help with weight management by promoting a feeling of fullness and reducing overall calorie intake. Improved digestion. The fiber content in salads aids in digestion and can prevent constipation. Additionally, the water content in vegetables helps keep the digestive system hydrated and functioning properly. Heart health. Many salad ingredients, like leafy greens, are rich in potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. The presence of healthy fats from ingredients like avocados or nuts can support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. Enhanced hydration. Cucumbers, lettuce, and other vegetables in salads have high water content, contributing to hydration levels in the body. Benefits of potatoes. Rich in nutrients, potatoes are an excellent source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamins like vitamin B6. They also offer a good amount of fiber when eaten with the skin. Energy source. The carbohydrates in potatoes serve as an efficient and readily available energy source for the body. They provide fuel for physical activity and daily functions. Digestive health. The fiber content in potatoes, especially in the skin, aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome. Heart health. Potatoes contain compounds that may help lower blood pressure, potentially reducing the risk of heart disease. However, the preparation method, such as frying or adding excessive butter, can impact this benefit. Versatility. Potatoes are incredibly versatile and can be prepared in various ways: boiled, baked, mashed, or roasted, allowing for a range of dishes and flavors. Combining salad and potatoes. Pairing salads with potatoes can create a well-rounded meal. For instance, potato salad. Combining potatoes with fresh vegetables like onions, celery, and herbs in a potato salad can offer a mix of nutrients and flavors. Salad toppings. Adding roasted or boiled potatoes to a salad can provide an extra dose of carbohydrates and texture. Balanced meal. Incorporating a combination of leafy greens in a salad with a side of roasted or baked potatoes can create a balanced meal that offers a variety of vitamins, minerals, fiber, and energy. Both salads and potatoes offer distinct health benefits, and when consumed together as part of a balanced diet, they contribute to overall nutrition and well-being. Please help subscribe to my channel. And thank you for watching my video. See you soon. I wish you good luck.